Hello everyone, it's Andrew Folks here from St Margaret's Church. Hi, hope you're well. Today we're going to have some science fun and do some exciting experiments and try and find out about quicksand. So, first thing to say is you need to get probably an apron just to keep yourself clean and have a clean surface to work on, like a kitchen table or a worktop. And then in the pack you should find some corn flour in a bag, and you just need a bowl and some warm water. So you gather all those things together and I'll see you again in a minute. Okay, here's our bowl and our corn flour mix and our water. Now you won't actually need all this water, so first of all let's tip the corn flour into the bowl like that. Whoa, it goes everywhere. That's why you need your apron on. And then we're going to mix the water in, just a spoonful at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe five spoonfuls. So start to mix that round, and it makes it into a big lumpy mess. Add a little bit more water, not too much. See that? Mixes it all together. A little bit more. You have to be careful now, just to get near. Yeah, he's still making it. Looks like big lumps, doesn't it? See? Add a tiny bit more water. Another spoonful of water. That's it. So, yeah, you can see now. It's like a liquid paste almost. Here's our quicksand, non-Newtonian fluid. It's quite hard when you tap it, when you stand on it, for example. So you could be walking across the swamp like that. But if you stay still, you would sink into it. So walking across the sand, walking across the quicksand, you'd be alright, but if you stood still, you'd sink down into it. Oh no! And if you scoop a bit of this out, while you put it under pressure, while you press onto it like that, you can make it into a ball while you're pressing it, because you're pressing the water molecules out of the way and the sand molecules are sticking together. But as soon as you stop pressing it, look at that, it becomes like a liquid again and it goes everywhere. And that's what's called a non-Newtonian fluid, because it doesn't follow Isaac Newton's law about things changing state. And Isaac Newton said that normal fluids or liquids only change their viscosity, their thickness, in response to temperature or pressure, whereas non-Newtonian fluids like our corn flour also change their viscosity in response to a force added to them. So when you press on the corn flour or when you stand on the quicksand, it changes its viscosity, it changes its denseness. So that means you can walk on quicksand while you're adding pressure, but when you stop and stay still, the molecules move apart, there's less friction and you sink into the quicksand. So that's a quick lesson on quicksand and non-Newtonian fluids and viscosity. Have fun with the corn flour and make sure you clean up afterwards. Bye!